Hello, and welcome to today's episode of Mortgage Monday. A question that you might be asking yourself is, what is an escrow account? An escrow account is a side account that your mortgage servicer will put in with your mortgage to be able to pay for your property taxes, your homeowner's insurance, and your mortgage insurance if you have it. So every month you will pay what we call PITI, or principal and interest, taxes, and insurance. So you pay that basic principal and interest, then you will pay your property taxes, your mortgage insurance, and your property insurance. And that total amount together is what adds up to your total monthly payment. So that way you're not responsible to pay for your homeowner's insurance and your property taxes every year. So you make that one payment and your servicer will pay the property taxes and the mortgage insurance for you. If you have any questions on that, feel free to reach out to me. My contact information is listed below. We'll see you all next week for next week's episode of Mortgage Mondays.